Hello there, I am Domino Musica Gato, and I hope you enjoyed my new intro and outro. I put a lot of effort into them. I think that the intro is much clearer now, and about the outro, well, I tried replacing it back in mid-2016, but it was a failed attempt. And some comments told me that they like my old one, so yeah. But yes, and that's why I decided to recreate the old one with my new style. Okay, and now the announcements. There are two. The first one of them, is about the future of this channel. Well, technically both of them, but the first one is, I'm going to college. I'm going to study math. And that means that I will have much less time for building dominoes. So I have to do something about it. This means that from now on there will only be 2 to 4 videos a year. And I think that that will be from 2019 to 2024 if everything goes as planned. And one of those videos will be the Christmas gift of each year. So that leaves me with only 1 to 3 freestyle videos of doing what I want. Don't worry though, I've been improving my domino style. And that means that those videos will be better than all the videos I have posted right now. And don't worry about my presence in the domino community. I'll still be there. I'll still be there commenting, liking videos, subscribing to channels I like, and everything. I will still try to be an active member of the domino community. And the second announcement is, you see, I've been uploading lots of music to my channel recently. My latest 3 videos, for example, are about songs I made. So you might ask, how are you going to manage music and dominoes in your channel? Well, I've decided the following. I think that there will be no more music videos uploaded to my channel. Instead, I might open a second channel. I haven't opened it yet, but I will put the link into the description in case I open it. That's also why I opened a new Barnes account. I have to wait till I am scouted for you guys to be able to download my song. But once that happens, all my stuff will go there. And of course, all the domino stuff will go to this channel. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.